In this lesson, we're going to identify the charge and relative mass of subatomic particles, and we're also going to talk about the location of those subatomic particles in the atom. So we have three subatomic particles, the proton, neutron, and electron. And so when we look at a proton, we use the symbol P to represent protons. The charge on a proton is +1, and the mass in units of AMU is also 1. Notice that an AMU is equal to an atomic mass unit, which is equal to 1.66 times 10 to the minus 27 kilograms. This is not a number you need to know. I just put it here so that you recognize how small an AMU actually is. A neutron, we use the symbol N, and neutron sounds like neutral, and we see that it has a 0 charge, and it also has a mass of approximately 1 AMU. When we look at an electron, we use the E with a minus sign to represent an electron because it has a charge of -1, and the mass is approximately 0. Electrons have a mass, however the mass is so small relative to the mass of the proton and the neutrons that it becomes insignificant. If you had $1 million and I gave you a quarter, you're probably not too worried about the quarter. And so that's the same way we look at the mass of an electron relative to the mass of a proton or neutron. What is the atomic number of an atom with 11 protons, 12 neutrons, and 11 electrons? Remember, the atomic number equals the number of protons, and we're told we have 11 protons, so the atomic number is equal to 11. What is the mass number of an atom with 11 protons, 12 neutrons, and 11 electrons? Our mass number is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. In this case, we have 11 protons and 12 neutrons, so our mass number is equal to 23. Let's look at an example of a helium atom to see where those subatomic particles are located. In the nucleus, we have the protons and neutrons. Therefore, the nucleus contains almost all of the mass of an atom. Outside the nucleus are the electrons. So where are protons found in an atom? So protons are located in the nucleus. Where are neutrons found in an atom? Neutrons are also located in the nucleus. And where are electrons found in an atom? Electrons are located outside the nucleus.